Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video I'm going to show you how to replace a primer bulb on an Echo equipment. So what I got here is my 2011 Echo PB265L, and what's going on with the primer bulb on here is, as you can see, it cracked and broke. So as you can see, it's no longer pumping up. So what we're going to do is replace it. For this job, you're going to need a flathead screwdriver or a Phillips screwdriver and a Torx T25 screwdriver. Alright, so first thing you want to do is remove your air filter cover. So just undo this and then pulls out like that. And now, as you can see, there are two screws here, and those are T25s. So just take a T25 screwdriver and just loosen it up. Now, I'm not removing the carburetor completely, I'm just loosening this up just enough to where I can, just to make this part easier. Because as you can see, this screw right here sits in between that cover, so it's easier to just slide it back. Now you can remove the carburetor completely to do this, but since I'm only replacing this primer bulb, there's just no need to do that. So anyway, when you got it loose enough to get enough access, you want to remove these four screws. You can use either a flathead or a Phillips head. Okay, with the screws loosened off, you can now remove this cover. Alright, so now you can remove your old primer bulb by just forcing it out of there, like so. So there's your old one, don't need it anymore. Now take your spare one and just put that back on there like that. And now you can put this cover back on with the four screws. Actually, you want to actually make sure this lines up with that, like so. So I'll put the screws back on real quick. Alright, so I went ahead and started the screws, so now I'm just going to tighten them down completely, like this. And now I'm going to do a crisscross pattern on this. Alright, so that's done. Now you can go ahead and just tighten down these two T25s. There, good enough for me. So now, just install your air filter and air filter cover. Okay, and just like that, the job is done. So now, just go ahead and try it out. Okay, get some gas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's start it up. All right, so as you can see, that was a pretty easy job. Only took about 5 minutes. So yeah, that's all I got for today. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.